Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so commands actually work. Once done, install OEM USB drivers and ADB on your computer and confirm the device appears with a DB devices. Make sure the battery is over 50% and use a high-quality USB cable to avoid disconnects during critical steps. Now that the connection is established and debugging is active, you're ready to run the first ADB command to request elevated service access. Next, you trigger the engineering service using the appropriate command for your device. If you have root, run the ADB shell su command to set the USB config to diag and a DB. This starts diagnostic services. If the device lacks root, reboot to bootloader and use fastboot OEM commands or the manufacturer test mode keycode sequence. These vary by vendor but achieve the same result. While you execute commands, monitor logcat to confirm the engineering service process and diagnostic port appear on the host. To finish, open the engineering interface using the dialer code, vendor app, or by connecting to the diagnostic serial port. This grants access to hardware tests and radios. Make sure to revert any persistent USB. Config changes by restoring the original value or simply reboot the phone to exit engineering mode when done. If things go wrong, first check drivers, use a different USB cable or port, ensure OEM unlocking is enabled, and rerun a DB devices and fastboot devices to confirm proper connectivity before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.